guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and this video is very special because this is the final part of how to make an infinite craft game from scratch. So let's get started. Let's get finished. Okay, so first find space like over here, and wait guys, first subscribe and give it a like because it's the first tutorial that we ever finished. But yeah, I never finished a serie, which is pretty rare, but don't worry. So, when I start to clone forever, and guys, if we have lag, like, I don't know if now, we wouldn't mind because it's last part and we're chill as hell. Now, if unequal, if clone type is equal to 0, now put another if, go to list, if first discoveries contains the variable element, there we go, put an if else, put an and in the left side, put a lesser than if 45 is lesser than position, x position, and not mouse down. It's gonna be one of my shortest videos, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that in last video to finish all. And in the else, put if deleting is equal to 0, okay. And here in the if, don't put nothing. And now put a replace and duplicate it 2 more times. Yes, sir. Replace item first clone ID of clone X with X position, replace item. Wait, let's look at this. Oh. There we, what the hell? Okay. And now with Y position and finally the last block that will make sorry, the variable element. And there we go, we finished. And guys, I make tutorials so you can play this all. I'm not the one guy that tested, it's you. So I'm saving the project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so test it and bye bye.